What's up? I hope you guys doing well. I just miss this trade. The setup look really good. Now I'm waiting for market came on this level again so I can enter on the trade. I'm just hoping. Let's see what's happen. I don't know. Market will come or not. Market is just can go straight down here and never come again here. I don't know what market gonna do. I'm just hoping, finger crossed that market will come. It's out of my rule that enter on the trade you just miss, but I don't know what to do now. I'm just thinking that just manage my risks and enter on the trade. The same setup happened before. You guys can see the same setup, but is on upside. You guys can see perfectly bouncing perfectly. The pair is GBP cat and the setup looking really good. I don't know what happened next. I will keep you guys updated about it. So as you guys can see, the market working really well, the setup working really well. You guys can see. Yeah, I will keep you guys updated. Let's see what's happened next. So guys, this is day 2 and as you guys can see, I already told you when the market came here again I will enter on a trade. I enter on this trade and I am in that trade right now, and as you guys can see I'm actually taking 1 to 10. As you guys can see, market working really well. Actually I enter another trade also. The pair is USD JPY. As you guys can see, I am taking 1 to 6.6 on this trade. You guys can see the setup working really well. The same setup I'm following, the same setup as you guys can see. So guys, this is day 3. I booked my half profit around here. Now I'm holding to 1 to 10. I already show you guys I am on another trade in USD JPY. The target is hit. As you guys can see, the target is hit on this trade. So guys, this is day 4 and this is the last video of this recording. I mean, the target is almost hit. You guys can see the market will hit my target eventually when it's open. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please comment down below your thoughts, what you are thinking about my trades, and yeah, comment down. I will make videos like this more. I will make videos like this every week so that I can show what I'm trading. Even though I'm taking loss or profit, it doesn't matter. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Bye.